Good evening, everyone. My name is Anant, and she's my friend Sapna. Today, we are here to perform a role play, and I am the agent, and she's the customer. So, let's start.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. Welcome to Amazon. I am Anant. How may I assist you?
Actually, sir, few days ago I ordered a wall shelf for my room, but it doesn't fit in my room, in my wall.
So, ma'am, may I know your name, please?
Yes, my name is Sapna Chaurasia.
And when did you buy it?
Mm. On 5th January 2025.
So, did you pay online for it or cash on delivery?
I paid COD.
Okay. So, would you like to get your refund, or you want to replace your order?
I want to get my refund.
Okay. So, do you use online payments?
Actually, sir, I don't use any online payment.
Okay, ma'am. But so in that case, we have to send you a link.
Okay.
So shall I send you the link on this number only?
Okay, you can send on my number.
So ma'am, we have sent you the link. You may click on it.
Yes, sir, I received your link. I clicked on it.
So it must be asking you to give your Aadhaar card number
Okay. Okay. So why it is a need of Aadhaar card?
because ma'am, it is our policy.
Okay. I entered my Aadhaar card number.
Now it will ask you to give a photograph of yours.
Photograph. Okay. I clicked it.
So ma'am, thanks for this. Now you may get your refund back within 3 to 4 days. Is there anything else I may help you with?
No, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.